There's a lot of food in here. Ready? Ready? Well, she always grabs a spoon as soon as he does it. Okay, ready? You gonna let me do it? Oh, you're gonna let me do it. Thank you. Good? Good?
This is way better than working.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Delicious. Yeah.
He gets so intense when the food's in his mouth.
He always feeds himself. He always does that. He's not really let me put a spoon in his mouth without grabbing a hold of it, ever.
Resting. Don't miss any.
I know, he eats all of it. Here you go.
You wouldn't want to waste any, feel like.
No way. Okay, can I have it? Give me the spoon. I know. It's so good.
What if you let go? Does he drop it?
No, I don't know actually. Here, let's see. He often chews on it.
Oh. Well.
I guess that's what Oops, sorry. Oh, give me. You choked yourself. I'm not so good with it yet. We'll get there. Yeah, I know. It's so good. I know. Love squash. Love carrots. He always grabs the spoon. So funny. It's funny how he's letting go. He lets it go so I can get more.
Because he knows there'll be more.
Yeah.
You're no fool.
You're learning. I'm trying to get it off your chin. Okay, there you go. Whoa. Okay.
It's going to be one of those videos you can only send to your mother.
Yeah, because it's so long. Is it still going?